Hey everybody, we are in Bell Community Garden right now, standing by this lovely trellis of squashes, and it's like all buzzy right now. So what we would love to talk about today is how to stay safe and calm around bees in the garden, a special trick that we use for young people. So we all know that bees are really important pollinators, and without them we wouldn't have all of these fruits and vegetables and yummy food that we see in the garden. But it's understandable that some people might be nervous around bees because stings and allergies are real. But the best way to stay safe around them is just to stay calm. So we're going to teach you a really useful and effective trick to use with young people in the garden to stay calm and safe around bees. Hi students, welcome to your garden classroom. While we're out here, we're going to see lots of amazing, buzzing, fluttering creatures. And one of the most important creatures that we'll encounter are bees. Bees are our friends in the garden because without them, we wouldn't have all of these yummy fruits and vegetables. They help us make all of the food in the garden. But I understand that some of you might be a little bit nervous around bees because they can sting. But the best way to avoid a bee sting is to stay really calm around bees. So today I'm going to teach you a really special trick for doing this. When you encounter a bee in the garden, instead of running away and flapping your arms and trying to swat at the bee, something really simple and easy that you can do is just to stand very still next to the bee, keep your arms at your side, and wiggle your fingers. This is called bee fingers, and it's a special way of communicating with the bees to let them know that you're in the garden, but you're very happy that they're there and you're not going to hurt them. So I have seen students use this trick, bee fingers, without any prompting or reminders. It's super useful, it's super effective, and it's super easy.